The basics of sound waves. Understanding how sound travels and is produced. Have you ever wondered how we can hear music from a speaker or a friend's voice from across the room? Describe how is sound produced. Explain how sound travels as longitudinal waves. Differentiate frequencies and amplitudes. Explore human and animal hearing ranges. How is sound produced? Sound is created when something vibrates, sending waves through the air or other materials. A vibrating object causes the surrounding molecules to also move. This disturbance travels through the medium solids, liquids, and gases until it reaches our ears. Examples of sound. The vibrations of the guitar strings, when plucked, create a sound. The vibrations produced in the person's vocal cords travel as sound waves. Let's explore. Try this out. Hum and feel the vibration in your throat. Then, draw what you think sound waves look like based on the vibrations you felt. How does sound travel? Sound travels through different mediums as longitudinal waves. The particles of the medium move back and forth parallel to the direction the wave is traveling. How does sound travel? This movement creates areas of compression, where particles are closer together, and rarefaction, where they are spread apart. Sound waves and wave traces. Scientists and musicians use wave traces to analyze and compare the characteristics of sounds. These graphs show how large the vibration of air particles is over time. A device called an oscilloscope is used to display wave traces. Remember that sound waves are longitudinal waves even if wave traces show a transverse wave. Characteristics of sound waves. Frequency. It refers to how fast the wave vibrates or the number of cycles per second. It is measured in Hertz/Hz and determines the pitch of the sound. Characteristics of sound waves. Amplitude. It refers to the height of the wave from the center line. It tells the loudness of the sound. Higher pitch. Higher frequency means more waves passing through a point per second and results in a higher pitched sound like the chirp of a bird. Lower pitch. Lower frequency means fewer waves passing through the same point per second and creates a lower pitched sound like a drum beat. Lower. Larger amplitude makes the sound louder as the waves carry more energy. Softer. Smaller amplitude results in a softer sound. What is the auditory range? It is the range of frequencies that a person or animal can hear. Different species have varying abilities to hear sounds, depending on the frequency of the sound waves. Humans typically hear frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. As we age, the ability to hear high frequencies often decreases.